Hello guys. Welcome to my tech world. Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So details of the Samsung Galaxy S30 series largest member has broken cover, but those hoping for ultra-novel innovations may be disappointed. According to tipster Ishan Agarwala 91 Mobiles, it's likely that the Galaxy S30 Ultra could recycle a number of specs and features from the Galaxy S20 Ultra. I think Samsung launched a great device. The report reiterates the S30 Ultra details we've seen in previous leaks. This includes the 5000 mAh battery, the 108MP primary rear snapper, and the 40MP selfie sensor, which may be retained from the S20 Ultra. Earlier renders suggest the S30 series may stick with a center punch hole selfie design. For us here at D3, we'd like how this design features a small display built into the rear camera array, which looks like an evolution of that on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra but positioned horizontally instead of vertically. We also like its future industrial aesthetic. That rear display feel doable as Samsung has years of experience now with this sort of tech. Thanks to its Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, dimensions may not shift much either. The Galaxy S30 Ultra measures 165.1mm by 75.6mm by 8.9mm, with a 1.9mm deep camera hump, per the report. This isn't much smaller than the 166.9mm by 76mm by 8.8mm of the Galaxy S20 Ultra. It's not all a copy-paste job, though. We've seen purported renders of the Galaxy S30 Ultra and its two family members, so we do expect a redesigned camera array. The Ultra is also said to pack a 6.8-inch 2K AMOLED screen, a slight shrink over the 6.9-inch S20 Ultra. Additionally, we can expect the Snapdragon 875 to command the S30 series in the States, and the rumored Exynos 2100 for use almost everywhere else. Considering Samsung usually picks the latest and greatest Snapdragon chipset for its flagships, this addition seems highly likely. The Exynos 2100, while not officially announced, has been mentioned in earlier leaks. Finally, the S30 Ultra will also run Android 11-based One UI 3.0, according to the report. We probably don't need confirmation of this though. Samsung will surely launch the flagship on the latest version of its Android skin. As an early report, it does neglect to mention some details. There's no word on the S30 Ultra's companion snappers, its RAM or storage configs, or its charging solution. It's perhaps a little too soon to suggest that the S30 Ultra will be an S20 Ultra with the new coat, but considering its rumored earlier launch window, we wouldn't be surprised if Samsung did rehash some features from the outgoing models. Please stay with us for amazing news of mobile technology world, so if you like my video please like this, stay safe and stay home. I think it has helped you to see a great news of Samsung love. Thank you everyone, see you soon with next great news.